filming.
Oh.
Why, what's up?
Plug the tire, right?
Was that today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess. We were trying to do a video. It's going to start up about the snowmobiles, trying to get them running again. Why are you filming?
So we wanted to show how to plug a tire.
Well, if you're plugging it over here, I think it'd be my video, wouldn't it?
Alright, well we can turn it off and you can do your video.
Well, I thought we
and
were
then,
doing it Sunday.
No, today.
Oh. I thought you said Sunday.
I don't remember, but you have to have your video.
All right,
you
well,
were doing
okay,
this.
We'll do
So
that
if you're
one.
plugging his
We'll plug the
tire,
now,
then you.
I'll do this one later. All right?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
I'll turn the camera off and you can
All right.
you can show how to do it.
Doesn't Joe have soccer?
No, not today. Tomorrow on Sunday at soccer.
Oh, you missed church?
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to be doing. You're going to plug his tire
yeah.
now.
Hey, welcome to the Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff. You're not. It seems like we're doing, instead of today, we were going to do the snowmobile, because a lot of people over the years have asked, why don't you ever run them snowmobiles? Well, they did run. We parked them here and just never used them again, just because of the snowfall. Sorry about that, but I probably got snot dripping off my nose and stuff. Been out here trying to do leaves for a while, but. Yeah, so we were going to get these things running, but it looks like we're changing up today and going to do how to plug a tire. That's how things happen around here. Things change. Larry, you can bring it right up to here.
So do you have all the stuff to plug a tire?
I should, but I didn't think it was today. That's why I would have. This one? Leave it running.
Okay.
Because we got to figure out where it is.
There's a nail in there.
Okay, well, we got to figure it out, because then you'll have to, once it gets to a certain point, then you turn the tire out so I can get to it.
Oh, get us. You don't take the tire
No, I
off.
don't take the tire off at all.
Get out!
Hi, Joe.
Hey, Terry, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Hey,
Good to see you, dude. Thank you very much. I really
Hey,
appreciate
no
your help.
problem, man.
This kind of stuff. I love the beater, bro.
Hey, we got
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Hey, I just like snot on my nose on your shoulder.
Oh, cool.
So which tire is it?
That one.
Yeah, it does look a little low.
Yeah, it is. And there's a blade. And it's funny though, when I park a certain way, the air leaks out less. Like if it nails on the bottom, I'm good for a day or two. If
Probably
not, it
more
comes right out.
pressure.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Wait,
But yeah, it's only flat on the bottom.
right here.
How you got on the bottom of your shoe, dude?
Teeth.
Okay, so you want to get back in,
Yep.
crack your window a little bit,
I rolled down all the way. That's how I roll.
turn your wheel so the tire is facing out.
So this way?
No, the other way, please. I think it's enough. Yep, that should be enough. Now slowly back up till I see you. Just like that. You shouldn't hit anything. You should be good. Hold it right there.
And that's so you can have a good.
You're good.
Is that it?
That's
already?
so you have a good angle to the hole.
Can I shut it off now?
Yep, you can shut it off.
Well, that was easy.
See, hon? Look. Right there. There's the
look at
nail.
that.
So Joe's been riding it a while because he wore the head right off of it.
Look at that's really tiny.
That's what she said.
Oh,
Sorry,
no.
you couldn't even get it
Hey,
out.
I didn't have a chance to say it.
Hey,
All
there
right,
she is.
so we're going to have to try to get
So
that
what-
baby out.
When do you get that out with like needle nose or?
Yeah. Needle nose pliers.
You picked
sometimes
that up
wire
just-
cutters is the only way
just
you can get
anywhere?
I
Or-
have no idea.
Okay.
Probably, it could be my uncle's house because he has nails. He's a construction worker, maybe. I have a compressor.
Hon, what are you doing?
Turn the compressor on.
Because you're doing what?
I don't know, because I
put
don't know
air
why
in
you
it.
put air in it first.
Huh?
You put air in it.
You want to tell?
Yeah.
You want to tell people what you're doing?
I need pressure on the tire, so I'm gonna pump the tire up as high as I can.
Does that stay on there?
It can,
I
yeah.
bet because I have one that you can hook up that stays on there.
Yeah.
To make it easier for you. Well, anything I can do to help?
So how do you know how much you need to put in there?
You don't right now.
Max is 40. That's what I've been doing. Nice. That's cool. It stays on there like that. I have a little one I plug in my car. Put air in it.
So either way, sometimes they're a pain in the ass when you plug them.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes it won't go in there all the way, and you got to really drill it out with a regular drill.
Yeah.
But
I've never seen it done like this on the car. It's pretty awesome.
Terry, why don't you point out the dirt on his
I
car?
already had to point out all.
He needs to
my-
wash this thing.
Yeah, my my
Have you ever
wife's
seen a car this dirty?
Well, white shows everything.
Yeah,
doesn't
thanks,
it?
Terry.
Yeah. My car is probably actually as
Mm-hmm.
filthy. You just can't tell.
It's been a very dusty winter. It's fun.
All right. So Jeff, you have to talk and tell what your steps are.
The first thing he did, he found the nail, right? Then he put air
Found
inside
it, yeah.
Pop! Just shoot it out.
Hey, I saw.
Are these fairly new tires? The tread looks pretty good.
Yeah, I guess. My dad gave me the car not that long ago. So I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't drive it very often anymore.
It's got decent tread on it still.
Yeah. I'm a keeper. Thanks, that one
my
makes a difference.
arm's sore.
Now, do you have a spare?
I don't know. I would imagine it came with a spare. I don't know where it's at. It's probably in the back somewhere.
Oh, well, yeah. It's
You know how to put
probably.
on a spare?
Yeah.
No.
Well, I mean, come on. I had to put on a spare. But no, I had an air compressor, like a little air compressor that's portable. I have in my car all the time.
Oh.
So I used to have issues with running out of air. So I would just put air in it every morning.
Hold on, isn't your car pissed?
Yeah. Anything else you want to point out, dude?
Aren't you an insurance guy? That
This
should
has
be
nothing
taken
to do
care
with
of.
insurance.
And
Nothing to do
nothing?
with insurance. Nothing at all. Registration.
Okay, so what are you doing?
I'm trying to get the nail out, or the screw. I think it's a screw. Yeah.
Break.
Oh,
That's it.
that's a
Can
little
you show
tiny
the
Yeah.
camera?
Yeah, here.
This
What's
little
that?
thing?
Why don't you show the camera?
There.
Look, that caused all the problem.
I can't do everything. So Larry
That
can
little
show.
thing.
Oh, that is small.
Yeah, man, that's.
All right, so
Okay,
that is
now
like
you
the
gotta-
puncher, right?
Now we got to find the hole.
That's what you said.
You want to
Okay.
make a necklace out of that?
Yeah, why would I want to
Like
make
a shark tooth.
So this
Why
thing,
would I throw it on
all
the
this
ground
thing
if I'm
is like a grinder tool that when you want to go back and forth in the hole slowly, you know, slowly at first.
It's awkward watching him do this. There goes all the air.
Yep. So that's going to open up the hole so you can put then these things
I can't help myself.
slowly open the hole again. And these are the, I don't know what they're actually called. But these, yeah, plugs work.
Right?
This is the plug, the hole that you slowly went into. Okay, but we're going to also put some glue on it because
like
that always
golf
helps. Rubber cement. So you put your.
So this comes in a kit.
Rubber.
This is a kit, yeah.
A
lot of innuendos
You put
today.
your rubber on the plug before you put
Can
it
I
in.
ask?
Yes.
Can I ask, like, where
Always put the rubber on your plug. before
where
put
did
it
you
on.
where did you get your kit from?
You could get that at any auto parts store. They have different grades of them. There's the cheap ones with the plastic handles. There's the more expensive
Yeah, that
model,
one's
which is
fancy.
the metal handle, and this is the slide. Because sometimes when you pull it out or go in, it's going to be very hard.
That's
so
smart.
You could probably get them at Amazon too, right?
you can get them anywhere. Basically, it's called a tire
So
plugging kit.
as the air is leaving, is that going to make it harder to get?
No, because if
The
you
plug-in?
if you lube it up pretty good with the glue, it'll go in easier. And then
Okay.
once then the pressure of the tire. There was no sexual innuendos there, but
Yeah.
but once you
can't
put it.
This whole thing has been sexual innuendos.
But once you put the plug in, then the pressure of the tire, because you have it fully
Inflate it.
inflated. Thank you. I need help today.
No worries.
That's going to press the plug and keep it stuck inside the tire, and they're good to
fascinating.
go after a few minutes.
That's the way he's standing. This makes me uncomfortable.
I know, get that view.
Yeah. I'm not wearing underwear. Is that on the camera?
You go.
There. Okay. So then, if everything goes well,
That was quick.
yep.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah, well.
That's Terry.
Man.
It'd be funny if she said that's what I said.
Many times.
And now you got dirt all over them.
So
Yeah,
then
now
you're
you
going
made
to put
me
the
dirty.
plug inside this, and see. I don't know if you can see it.
It's like a sewing needle.
It's like
big giant
rubber, but
sewing
you can
needle.
see how pliable and sticky and all that is. So that'll be adhering inside the tire.
So do you go right in the middle?
Yep.
Out?
Yep. Because this will go in like this.
Gotcha.
Okay.
And then you're going to pull
And
out,
then
and it's
that's gonna hold
supposed to
it in
slide through once it adheres itself to. But you still want to leave the ends out like a quarter to half an inch.
So you're going almost all the way, but not quite.
Not quite, right?
But more than the tip.
Yeah, just a teasing. He said. That's what he said.
Is there anything I can hold for you?
No, thanks, Joseph.
Oh,
We had a
Well, that
little.
was a pretty cool trick that he just did.
he used the tool to open up the glue.
The glue, yeah.
And then we're just putting a little glue on there. It's like airplane
glue.
glue. Yeah, Larry, you can sniff it
Is
like
it
you used to
airplane
when you
glue?
were a kid.
That's rubber cement, that's an airplane glue.
Okay, so
That's
this
no
is
different.
sometimes this doesn't work right. So
Oh. Sounds like it worked.
Okay, so see, we're in.
Oh yeah.
You're leaving the tip out a little bit on both sides, and then if everything goes well, if everything goes well, there. Your tire's officially plugged.
That's crazy. Just
So-
like that.
Okay, and so then you just what? Cut off that?
Yep,
end,
you're gonna
or
take
it
a
just-
razor
Oh, you don't
blade.
just let them wear off like
No.
driving down the road?
No. So you're gonna let it sit there a minute just to see if
Yeah, let
maybe
it
with the
adhere.
pressure that shit don't pop right back out again.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Scalpel. Watch out, dude. I don't know why you're
Now,
standing
really,
there. It's gonna pop.
how do you know? You just go by looking
My eye.
What's that, honey?
Video ever.
on
Just
how
stuck right
full
to your
the tire,
forehead.
how much
Terry
air
did
you
this
put in
and
Now
that
I'm gonna
tire.
get the pressure gauge out.
Get the knife forward.
I'm out. That's Larry. You
You
got
said
shot
you
with a
wanted
plug.
40?
Yeah, that's what I said. The max is 40. I guess is good. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, guys, if you ever wonder about tire pressure for a car, I'm sure, Jeff, you probably showed them before, right?
You can see it inside the door frame.
Yeah, right here. They usually have a thing right here that tells you the front pressure and the rear pressure
that's what I was just gonna
of your
say.
tires that you should have. And where is it at? 35 psi. But that's cold. So that means when you haven't been driving.
Right.
Yeah, we're going to 40 per Joe.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
that's
'cause
the
he's been
max.
driving.
Max load
Yeah.
And it tells you 40 on
on the
what?
sidewall too. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say, because just because it says it in the car, that's what you don't always go by, because people put different size or different width tires on that have different pressures. So
And
it's
that-
always good to look. Okay,
Okay, so
so that just showed you that it has 40 pounds of pressure in the tire.
That's exciting.
So I think we're good there and we're golden.
Okay.
So the next step is, did you have a cap that goes on that or not?
Nope.
Okay.
Nah. I do. It might be in the glove box somewhere, but
So you have to wait and to see if it holds this for how long and before you cut off the ends, or no?
Not necessarily, because the pressure of the tire has now pushed that pliable piece of rubber, gooey shit into the inside of the tire. As long as it's not pushing it out, you're good. So you can cut it now.
oh, nice.
So I just got to dig up a
Razor blade.
razor or a knife or something to do it.
Put another hole in the tire.
Yep.
Yeah, right. I'm slipping.
Thank you.
And here's your glue.
So this was made by, and not that this is a brand deal or anything. I'm not. This.
Yeah, wait.
These
But
are
it
called-
could
this is-
be.
Yeah, it could be, but it's not. These are made by Slime. I don't know if anybody ever remembers Slime, that green
Oh,
shit
yes,
that people
that
used to
you-
put in tires. It
yeah.
basically, and I'm not going to say they ruined them, but anytime you went to change it after, all that green crap's inside your tire. So I got away from that.
Fix a flat.
Fix a flat
Yeah,
was
you
another
spray
mess.
stuff in there.
You know, hey, it's a good thing in an emergency, but if you're really caring about the vehicle or the mower or anything like that, don't put that shit in your tire. Go get it fixed or,
Yeah, if you
or
wanna save
get
your
a plug
tire.
kit.
Yeah.
But here's another little rule: you could in an emergency plug the sidewall, but it's not recommended. Please don't do it. Have it patched, fixed, or replaced.
Yeah, you can get it out of
okay.
the pitch
Yeah,
that
that-
way, but not
Yeah.
drive on it.
The difference is the thickness of the tire, and the sidewall is not that thick, but the tread and all that is. So safety
Air from this,
first.
from that.
That's from that, the area here.
It's from this, Larry.
Yeah, I know.
I thought I was gonna do something. It didn't do anything. I was trying to do something exciting. It didn't work. That's pretty awesome. I can't believe how easy that was.
Right? Yeah.
Now we need to get a kit.
But he made it look easy because he's
Yeah, I
done
feel
them
like that if
before.
we did it, it would be a completely
Yeah.
different situation.
I can't get it in.
So how long?
Hey, Jeff.
Hey Jeff, how long does that last? You can drive a plug tire forever?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll blend in basically forever.
It
Oh.
lasts as long as this tire.
Yeah, I've had plug
Yeah.
tires that lasted. I mean, I've never did anything else with it. Years.
As I mean, I've plugged mower tires, car tires, truck tires, anything. They last.
Using a steak knife.
Yeah, because I couldn't find a razor.
You eating a lot of steak in the garage?
Might not even cut it. Who knows? It's not doing too well.
Do you have a utility knife?
Oh,
Not
he's
in
got,
here.
He's got some of it
There.
off.
Oh, that's good. It's in a grind.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't tear your shoe.
Yep.
No, I'm just kidding.
So basically, that's it. Joe should be good for the rest of the life of that tire.
That's awesome. I really appreciate your help. That's awesome.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah,
Friend
see?
in need is what?
A friend indeed.
There you go. That's
All right.
beautiful.
Well, we're friends even when I'm not in need.
Appreciate it. Now
Right.
you guys can go back to your. So what are you doing?
Yeah, what are you? I love it.
What are you doing?
Arr. So you've known these things have sat here forever,
Yeah,
right?
they look terrible.
So I'm going to try to get them running. That's the
You got a
project.
mud
Get outta
wasp
here.
nest in there, and
Oh, I've had everything.
Do you think you'll be able to get that running?
Oh hell yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we used to love snowmobiling.
Are you expecting a lot of snow this year?
Well, maybe one or two
Doesn't matter. Just
would be nice.
Coming over my house in your snowmobiles to shovel my driveway?
Yeah, no.
Oh, you have a fancy plow in your lawnmower now.
Yeah.
No, I haven't hooked it up yet.
Oh, you haven't? It's getting cold.
Yeah, it is getting cold quick. So, how long has Mrs. C's rain, you think?
Probably this one and that one was ran by, I think, Jesse and Nate across the field and out here once, and then they got stuck over here because the belt burned up.
That had to be a long time ago.
So they were probably, it was probably at least 12 years ago.
Wow.
So, but you know, there isn't much goes wrong with them other than
Yeah, right.
replacing
You know,
stuff,
there's no way
gas
you're-
lines and shit.
There's no way your batteries have enough juice.
No.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's obviously you got it.
But either way, that's another video.
Oh yeah,
We-
yeah.
we-
That's all, yeah, we don't want to keep you all
So,
day.
but either way, guys,
Thank
you
hopefully
very
that works
much.
out.
Appreciate
Hey,
it.
no
Awesome,
problem.
dude. It was cool to be on one of your videos. I'm excited now. I'm on your channel.
Yeah, it's all good. You can always be on the channel if you want. Just
Yeah,
stop
whenever you
on
want.
over. Anytime you're bringing beer, you can be in a video.
Sweet. I had a lot of stuff I need done. It's good to know.
But
All right,
anyway,
have a great day, guys.
That was my line.
Oh, no, well, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
I
So
guess
we'll close
we can-
off this one since we got another one. So, but everybody have a great day and a good life.